Hey, what was this?
Mimi, can you walk on your birthday? Can you walk on your birthday? Can you walk to Daddy? Walk to Daddy?
What is she doing?
Wow!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Xiao Mei Mei.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Uncle David.
You want to get her to walk
your
a little bit more to the
birthday.
ribbon?
Xiao Mei 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 Mei. Xiao Mei Mei Mei. Oops. Xiao Mei 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 Mei.
You can't really crawl with that.
And I don't get OJ.
Yeah, it's hard to crawl with that dress. Wow! Wow, look at you walk! Wow!
Wow.
What's that? One. Yeah, you're one.
You're
1 year
old.
1 year old, yeah. You've grown so much during this year. Look, you're walking,
Yeah.
crawling. Well, crawling first and then walking. What's in there? What's in there?
Is your birthday present?
Mmm.